I would like anybody to go onto the DHS website and look at their recent statistics on the arrests being made by ICE. And they completely contradict what Donald Trump, big surprise, or what Kristi Noem, big surprise, have been saying. We're taking out domestic terrorists. We're taking out the worst of the worst. Their words. The pedophiles, the drug dealers, the murderers, the rapists. Well, let's take a look at the numbers, shall we? Posted by DHS. These are recent numbers. Since January of 2025, less than 2%, 1.6 to be exact, of those 363,000 people had any type of previous weapons charges. Less than 2%, 1.4%, had any drug-related charges. Less than 4%, 3.7%, had any prior gang-related charges. So there's your drug dealers, your violent criminals, and and your gang members, the people they're saying that they're going after. That's a tiny percentage. It's an insignificant percentage, to be honest. Less than 2%? That's pretty insignificant. So, they're doing more damage to documented people and people who went through the correct process of becoming a U.S. citizen, and to those who are U.S. citizens by birth, the people they've been murdering in the streets, the fact that they're going on, these are all the worst of the worst, really? Of the nearly 500,000 people that you've arrested, you have less than 6% who have any type of criminal charges prior? And a percentage of that 363,000 are people who were arrested for interfering with ICE operations who had no prior criminal charges. That's a tiny percentage posted by essentially the Trump administration on the DHS website, contradicting everything they've been saying since the beginning. You can't look past that. There's no way to argue that. It's their own administration's numbers that they're posting. So you need to take the blinders off, people, and look at the numbers and realize they're lying.